Hey everyone, again, I have an incoming swap from Linda. She is on my Daisy Deb Crafts Facebook group. She's a member. And this is for Cutesy Halloween. So we'll go ahead and open it. I went ahead and took it out of the package. Let me get it back out a little bit. And I'm trying to get us some light. It looks like it's going to rain here, but anyway, I am excited to open this. Let's see what she sent for Cutesy Halloween. It could be handmade, a combination of handmade. It could be, oh my gosh, you know me, look, this is, I know what this is. This is a KS Craft rosette. Look at that with a little ghost. Oh my gosh, I have this die. I have not made it. You made it for me. Thank you so much, Linda. Oh my gosh, that is so cute. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. All right, so let's see what is in here. This little ghost bag. These ghost bags are super cute. Oh, she sent me the... Okay, I have this die too, and I have not made these, but look how stinking cute. They're the witch bow hats, and they are so beautiful. Look at that paper. That glitter cardstock is absolutely beautiful, and I love how you offset. Okay, I'm going to have to move this out of the way because it's distracting. From this, but anyway, look how you I love how you offset the witch hat. So she cut two of them, offset them so there's a little bit of a shadow, and then look how cute these bows are. Is it glitter foam, or is that glitter vinyl? Are you kidding me? Did you cut these out of glitter vinyl? Or faux leather, glitter faux leather, maybe? Anyway, you're going to have to answer that question. But those are cute, absolutely cute. Love them, love them, love them, love them. All right. Oh my goodness, she did such a great job. Okay, I can't wait for y'all to see all of this. Look at this. All these cute little tags. This is a ghost tag. Oh no, I had them wrong. I had them wrong. She offset that too. Look at that. These are a tag set. I have these too. I have not made them like that at all. Oh my gosh. And you stamped. The stamps are beautiful. They work great. I haven't had a chance to play with this one. I mean, I've cut them out, but I haven't stamped or anything. That is so beautiful. Thank you so much. I love those. What a great idea to do the offsetting, and it just makes it pop and makes it look so cute. Okay, let me get into here. And this one too. I have this one. I have not cut out the words. I love it on the glitter. Oh, you not only did it on glitter, but you did it on, backed it on another piece of cardstock, and then glitter, and then the black. Oh my gosh, those are very sturdy. These are going to go great on so many projects, and I haven't made any of these yet at all. I did make these. I did make the lollipops. Except for the eye one, I haven't made that one, but I made the bat, the pumpkin, and the ghost, and I just love these. These are adorable in the glitter. How cute. Thank you so much for doing the words. Look at this. If the broom fits, fly it. Happy haunting. If you've got it, haunt it. Look how cute. Witch, please. And these are KS Craft dies. Trick or Treat and Creep It Real. So I love it. Love it, love it, love it. Oh my goodness. Okay, girl, if you're watching this video, I'm thinking that, you know, the hot chocolate pack from KS Craft, if you have that hot chocolate pouch, if you know what I'm talking about, that using those on it would be awesome. Yep, yep. And look at you. Okay, I see what you did. I have this die too. I have not made it. This is a loaded pocket, and she put all this beautiful, I'm going to take it out. I love how you did that though. So this is a loaded pocket, a coffin loaded pocket, and look at this. It even has the cutout for the little bat, and she even did it on both sides. I knew it. I knew you did that. And then it has this jagged edge and then the spider web edge, and that is just so cute. I have not made that, but look at this. You put the witch hat in there, all the stuff, the rosette can even fit. The rosette can possibly fit up here. It is a little bit of a deeper pocket, so you can, but look how stinking cute that is. Oh, Linda, you did a great job. Thank you so much. This is so beautiful. And to think I have this and I have not made it. I was going to make it for this swap, and I'm glad I didn't, because you beat me to it, and now I gotta do something else instead. And then look, I guess you have the what do you call that? Is it the Frankenstein die? Is it the Frankenstein mini album or monster mini album? Okay, I don't have that die. You and I are going to have to swap some die cuts for sure. We'll have to do a swap with die cuts. Oh, she made it into a card. No. Yes, you did. Look how stinking cute that is. Oh my goodness, how cute. And I love her. Look at her with a black cat. I love that black cat die. And then her hair, how stinking cute. Oh my gosh, I love that card. That is so cute. You did a great job. Oh my gosh. And I will be mailing out my swap by Saturday, so I'm sorry you're having to wait so long. And then she did the pumpkins. I made these too. I did make these. I love the color combination. And then I think these are stickers. Let me see. I'm gonna find out. They're cute. I'm gonna find out what they are. I think they're stickers, and they are super, super, super cute. Very cute. I love them. I love everything. Thank you so much. I'm gonna get this video loaded, and thank you so much. You did a great job. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. I look forward to more swaps with you, Linda. Okay, take care. Bye.